Greetings, caller! You have reached the voicemail lair of Alan Downing, master of mysticism and coach for those of the magic arts. Perhaps there's potential in you after all. If you've made it this far, then you must have some interest in donating to our crowd sorcery campaign, so that I might build my magic 3-dungeon castle type thing. Which is good. To cast your own spell of donation and donate to our school, attend the 48-hour film project screening Wednesday night at 6:30, Screening Group E at Reading Cinema's Gas Lamp. In a moment, you will be prompted to leave a message of sorts. This is where you leave your name, checking account information, and credit card number. We'll use this information with only the best of intentions, because sometimes that's all you need.
Damn it!